connected organs and glands, and how each one has a particular purpose in helping the body receive the nutrients it has to maintain a healthy life. This Goldenberg scenario for these kids were to welcome nutritionists, which are them, I guess. And she wrote a letter that said, "As you are aware, there is a growing trend of obesity and diabetes in the United States. I believe that as a team, you can use your expertise to develop a model digestive system that will be used to teach young children how food is broken down and nutrients extracted." Their task was to use their knowledge of the digestive system. Your cohort or your team will design a model about your ribs and down of the digestive system. And their challenge was to try to build an interactive system that can be Now our first team that will blow your mind is the Digestive Singers.
And parents, if you turn your sheet, you have the song, so feel free to sing along.
Whoever's talking, that's who you should deal with.
As you are aware, there is a growing trend of obesity, which is overweight, and diabetes up in the United States. They only eat fast food and junk food all the time. You should stop that. How do you just eat healthy? You can only eat junk food once in a while, and that's how we have those sponsors. Salivary glands go munch, 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 munch. The salivary glands go munch, 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 all the way to the esophagus. Esophagus, so paraesophagus, paraesophagus, paraesophagus. Salivary glands, paraesophagus, all the way to the stomach. The salivary glands go through chemicals, chemicals, chemicals. Straight down through the chemicals, all the way to the duodenum, 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 all the way to the duodenum, 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 all the way to the ileum.
All the way to the large intestine, and it goes to the cecum, 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 then it goes to ascending colon, ascending colon, ascending colon, then it goes to the transverse colon, transverse colon, transverse colon, then it goes to the descending colon, descending colon, descending colon, then it goes to the sigmoid colon, sigmoid colon. Then it goes to the rectum, 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 then it goes to the anus, 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 all the way to the toilet.
Did you hear? Like, parents, did that blow your mind? Yeah. Well, the next one will blow your mind even more. And that is the food group.
I don't have no idea. You must stand up. It's because you were like, you were like,
strong bones and potassium is up to the strong muscles. That's why we used to have more meat instead of that lousy candy bar.
I'm Banana, or you can call me Mrs. Banana. I have fiber and potassium. The fiber cleans out your body, and the calcium gives you strong bones. Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Liz. I am part of the dairy group. I can come from goat, cow, and sheep, and most mammals. I have vitamin D and calcium. Hi, I'm Miss Bean. You can call. Hi, I'm a bean. You can call me Miss Bean. I have nitrogen and protein. The protein helps you give little cells in your body, and the nitrogen helps get out all the bad stuff out. And just to let you know, you should always eat meat and the meat instead of that candy.
But I can give you a heart attack and give you diabetes. I can talk about your arteries. I'm bad for you.
I can't believe I just
Can I stop them for a minute? Yeah. Another group member just came in up there. Do you mind to say, back it up a little? Go for it.
We have to start all.
Where you want to start? Ready and...
We might as well start all over.
Okay. Take two.
What's that, Jen? You like to eat me? No! I'm Fred. I give you fiber, which cleans out your body. I think that's totally awesome. Plus, carbohydrates give you energy.
Hi, I'm a kid, but you can call me Mr. Kid. I am in the vegetable group. I have calcium which helps to build strong bones and potassium which helps to build strong muscles. That's why I used to have more meat instead of that lousy candy bar. Hi, I'm Banana, or call me Mr. Banana. I have a lot of fiber and potassium. Fiber cleans out your body. Potassium builds strong muscles.
I'm Miss Twist. I am a part of the dairy group. I can come from goat, cow, and sheep, which is most mammals. I am part of the dairy group because I have calcium and vitamin D, and you should know that I should be better than that. Hi, my name is Miss Bean. I have nitrogen and protein. The protein gives you little cells in your body, and the nitrogen takes out all the bad stuff. And as you should know, you should always eat meat instead of a lousy candy bar who has no brains.
But I can give you a heart attack and I can solve your arteries. I can give you diabetes too. I am bad for you.
Dad wants to eat us! Yeah, for you! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's a mini lesson. Let's talk about the mouth, which is, of course, right here. As you can feel inside your mouth, you have saliva. Or you have salivary glands, and you also have the epiglottis in the back that helps you guide your food to your throat.
The esophagus, which is 10 inches long, is the third function and moves around muscles. The food takes 2 or 3 seconds to go down the esophagus all the way to your
Stomach, which is like a giant blender, and it mixes the food with gastric juices to create chyme. All the way down to the small intestine. The small intestine sets up all the nutrients and juices in your body. It sets up the nutrients that cause you die. The first part of the small intestine is the duodenum. The second part is the jejunum. The third part is the ileum. Then it goes all the way to the cecum. Then it goes to the ascending, all the way to the transverse, to the descending, all the way to the sigmoid colon.
The appendix does nothing. The rectum
all in place until it's ready to go. 3, 2, 1. To the toilet! There are a few more organs that are very important. For instance, the liver creates bile and takes away some of the nutrients and gives it to other parts. The gallbladder stores the bile, and the pancreas not only stores, but creates something called insulin, which keeps your blood sugar level.
Remember, kids, you should not eat, and parents, you should not eat meat all the time, just once in a while, because it's bad for you.
Parents, I hope that blew your mind, because something else, is that going to blow your mind?
Yeah.
Or something else?
Okay.
It's going to make you stop by the heaven.
All right.
And also that means is make your like
Order.
known as a nutritionist. Oh, that lady. Hello, fellow junior teachers. We have some baking news today. Scientists and students are going to take a look at digestive. But before we begin, let me introduce you to the scientists today. Dr. Michael, Dr. Jimmy, Dr. Cameron, and me, Dr. Carlo. This is about water. You put a piece of food in your mouth. Then your salad is like a recipe. This saliva, and then then the food goes into the tin with water sauce. Inside there is other sauces with strong, powerful movement. It goes to the food from the mouth to the stomach. Stomach is a tree-shaped organ. When the food goes into the stomach, it takes for 3 to 4 hours. The food is surrounded by a gas. The gas is called chyme. Chyme breaks up the food inside the stomach. After the food is done being absorbed by chyme, the food goes into the small intestine. The first part of the small intestine is the duodenum, then the duodenum, and finally the ileum. The small intestine is not really small. It is actually 22 feet. And this is about 22 feet left. And it takes 4 hours for the food to get digested. The small intestine is blocked called villi that absorb the food and the nutrients in something. The food goes into the large intestine. It is 5 feet long and has 6 sections. The food part is the pizza, and by then the food is very okay. Then the food goes into the descending and signaling. The food body comes out or the food, or now I should say wait, stays in the rectum. It stays in the rectum until your brain tells you to let it up to eat it. To the toilet.